Just heading back up the Kuranda Range. I've left my parents in their caravan in Cairns, picked up one of my mates in his Ranger. So yeah, we're gonna get back to Mareeba. We'll top up for fuel and I'll reset my trips, and so then I can compare fuel economy with the camper trailer versus the caravan. But heading out to the Maytown ruins today and taking on Old Coach Road tomorrow. Hopefully we get through it in one day. But yeah, so let's get on with it and get up this range. Just filled up in Mareeba, so we're just about to head off, head out to the Maytown ruins tonight, camp down by the river there, and then hit Old Coach Road tomorrow. So it should be a good day. Hopefully this weather goes away. It's been pretty overcast and patchy rain the last few days. Yeah, hoping it sort of goes away. All the last couple of weeks while up the Cape already have been fairly damp as well. Hoping the weather comes good, but we'll see. Let's go. So I've just pulled off the Mulligan Highway. It's 137 kilometres north of Mareeba, the turn off to Maytown, and then Palmer River Roadhouse is 17 kilometres further up the road. Just going to let some air out of the tyres. North Queensland has finally decided it's winter, sun's out, it's not raining anymore, so this should be mint as long as it stays this way for the next couple of weeks. Should be a good trip. Here we are, just pulled up at the Maytown ruins. Was once a major gold mining town in the Palmer River region. Not a great deal left. There's a shed down there with some memorabilia and photos and that sort of stuff in it from when the town was refound. A few stumps. This is Leslie Street. It's the main street of Maytown. There's a few plaques along the street showing the different shops and places and that sort of stuff. And there's another few locations around where there's old mining equipment and batteries and crushers and that sort of stuff. I'll chuck the drone up and we'll have a bit more of a look around Maytown.